Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Naya and I create videos about budgeting, organizing, and savings. And I created this channel in order to stay accountable towards my goals. And in today's video, I'm going to be going over my budget for February in my Happy Planner. If you would like to see more of this video, stay tuned and I'll see you in the next clip. Okay guys, for my budget for February, I have already written everything out and I put everything, all of the stuff that I have to put into my Happy Planner here, and then my sinking funds are down here, and I have the dates. And see, I kind of messed up when I started off. I realized how I wanted to do it, but I crossed those out because I don't know where the whiteout is. So I'm gonna be using this, and this is my Happy Planner. I'm using the Teachers and Structure version because I like this one. I like the way the outside looks. I like the gold rings. And so this is how my January looked. So I'm gonna do the February similar. So this is February. It's all, nothing's written yet, and this is what I'm going to be filling in with. So I'm going to fill out my stickers first with this. So I'll put this next to it so I can fill out the stickers. And these are the stickers I'm going to be using. I got these from the Dollar Tree. I thought these were really cute and they fit perfectly into my little boxes and squares. I'm going to cut them up and use these. G Sweet. I think I'm spelling it wrong. I don't know. It's $6. I put the 6 up there. And then I have my Funimation. And this is my app. And that is $5.99. So I put down here. Then I have Crunchyroll. I like anime, so I have a lot of animation apps. And please excuse the snoring in the background, it's the baby. And that one's $9.99. Then I have TubeBuddy, which is for YouTube. If you are a content creator, that is a good app to have. I don't know why I put that. See, look, I messed up. So I'm not gonna use that one. And that is $5. Then I have Amazon Prime. And that is $6.45 for me. Then I have my student loans. I only have to pay $5. I have CVS, which there's 2 of them. For the 14 days, so I have to put CVS membership. It's $5. I'll use this one. I'll put it in the same direction. While that's drying, I'll put CVS membership. Yes, I have 2. If you wanted to know, I have 2 for couponing purposes. Then my stash account. And stash, that's for investing in different stocks. And we also have a bank as well. Stash, transfer, and then it's $5 as well. I know it's all not neat because the pen is sliding on the sticker. And I don't write that neat anyway. I have stash, subscription, it's $1. Then I have my coupon, which is every week. I receive coupons. Instead of buying a paper, I pay for coupons to come. That's every week, unless it'll tell me if I'm not getting one for that week. It'll just let me know. And the first week is $10. The next week, and it might not be that much. It might be cheaper, but I just put that much down because at least I'm safe. Okay, so that's them. And then I have my timeshare, which I pay $114. See, look, I messed that up. I'm not gonna redo it. I guess I'm going to redo it. $114. Then I have my student loans, or my school's first loan. That's $50 a month. I only have 2 more months of that. And then my credit card from Schools First. Which is $25 a week. I have my Victoria's Secrets. So Angel card. It's $35. I have storage, which is $123. I might end up rewriting the one that's those onto here. Well, I only have 2. Let me see. I have the business storage. which is $50. Excuse me. And that's all I have. Oh no, I'm gonna have. That's it. Those are the bills, which I might end up rewriting one of these. I don't know which one was it. Probably the schools first. I'll put on this one. The credit card. Phone. Oh, I guess you can. It's $70 for my. Have to, because carry it around with you, mark it off, and so you won't forget. And that way, when you're doing your cash, if you are the David Ramsey system, this is perfect because it coincides with it to have everything written down, and then the envelopes go accordingly with it. So I'm gonna do that in the next video. I thank you so much for watching, and yeah, bye guys.